This video claims something wild is unfolding behind the scenes, involving none other than the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, and its potential interest in XRP, the digital currency developed by Ripple. While it may sound like a far-fetched conspiracy at first, the speculation is catching serious attention. According to this theory, BlackRock could be positioning itself to drive up the price of XRP, possibly skyrocketing it to $137, which would create a whole new wave of millionaires. It's a bold idea, but when you consider BlackRock's power in global finance, it starts to seem a little less outlandish. With over $11.6 trillion in assets under management, even the slightest hint of interest from BlackRock in a cryptocurrency can cause market waves. Recently, rumors have been swirling within the XRP community, with social media users like John Squire, Zave, and Finance Proof weighing in, suggesting that something big might be brewing. Though none of this has been officially confirmed, it's the kind of chatter that gets crypto investors excited. At the core of this speculation is the potential for a BlackRock-backed XRP ETF, which would be a game-changer. ETF, or exchange-traded funds, allow traditional investors and large institutions to buy into an asset without actually owning it, providing a safer and more regulated route to exposure. The approval of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs paved the way for massive institutional investment, and a similar move for XRP could ignite unprecedented demand. However, there's a reason we haven't seen that ETF application just yet. BlackRock is still focused on its current crypto offerings. Its iShares Bitcoin Trust has amassed over $30 billion, while its Ethereum fund hit $1 billion in just 2 months. That kind of momentum explains why the company isn't in a rush to launch new crypto products, especially when legal uncertainties still cloud XRP's future. Although Ripple scored a win in court when a judge ruled that XRP sold on secondary markets isn't a security, the legal case with the SEC isn't completely over. BlackRock, being extremely risk-averse and regulation-conscious, is unlikely to make a move until all legal dust settles. The firm is also probably still cautious after the embarrassment in 2023, when a fake XRP ETF filing spread like wildfire, forcing BlackRock to deny any involvement. That incident created market chaos and likely made the company even more hesitant. Right now, BlackRock may be content to let others like Grayscale and Franklin Templeton explore XRP-related products while it watches from the sidelines, ready to move once regulatory clarity solidified. But if and when BlackRock does jump in, the game could shift entirely. BlackRock doesn't chase trends. It makes strategic, long-term moves based on belief in an asset's role in the future of finance. Some believe the CEO of BlackRock has even hinted at XRP's revolutionary potential in global banking, though it's hard to separate fact from social media exaggeration. Regardless, momentum and excitement are building. Influential figures like Jack the Rippler, Minix, and Steph are all hyping XRP's imminent breakout and long-term promise, with predictions ranging from moderate gains to world-changing impacts. While it's unclear whether this is grounded in reality or pure hype, one thing's for sure. The confidence around XRP's future is contagious, and the crypto community is watching every move closely. A user named 25Hawake made a bold claim that XRP would skyrocket to $137 by April 30th, a prediction that sounds extreme. But it reflects the high level of enthusiasm and long-term confidence many investors have in XRP. While such a meteoric rise seems far-fetched, some analysts offer more grounded, yet still optimistic projections. For instance, Dr. Cat believes XRP could hit $4.50 even during bearish market conditions, and Egreg Crypto has mapped out key resistance levels that, if broken, could ignite a rally toward $5. Meanwhile, Ryan Lee, the chief analyst at BitJet, offers a broader perspective, forecasting that XRP could reach $10 by the year 2030. But what does all of this mean for the average investor? Many people are wondering how much XRP they actually need to accumulate in order to truly strike it rich. To become a millionaire overnight with just 2,000 or 3,000 XRP, you'd likely need to wait until at least 2040, assuming the price surges to $100 per coin, which would mean an astronomical market cap of $110 trillion. Trillion, a number the entire crypto market hasn't come close to yet. Realistically, to hit $1 million valuation from XRP holdings, one would likely need to hold around 100,000 tokens, assuming the price significantly exceeds at $10. That's a tall order, but it highlights a key point. For many investors, the appeal of XRP isn't in instant wealth, but in being early adopters of a technology that could revolutionize global financial systems. This belief is echoed by influential figures like the CEO of BlackRock, who stated that XRP has the potential to dominate world finance. Even if XRP doesn't soar to $100 in the immediate future, its trajectory appears upward, especially with increasing institutional interest and clearer regulatory paths. The momentum is building, and XRP is heating up. Recent developments, like Ripple's new strategic agreements, underscore this progress. The launch of Asia's first XRP tracker fund, created in collaboration with Ripple and Hashkey Capital, marks a significant milestone not just for those companies, but for the crypto industry at large. This initiative is expected to attract institutional capital and could substantially influence XRP's price, particularly as global adoption rises. As noted by Vivin Wong, a partner in Hashkey's liquid fund, XRP has successfully positioned itself as a credible asset for institutional portfolios. This isn't just a win for Ripple, it's a win for the entire XRP community, showing that the digital currency is gaining serious traction. What we're witnessing now may very well be the start of a historic rise, possibly the beginning of one of the biggest crypto surges ever.